Space travel once belonged only to dreams and sci-fi. But today, NASA and SpaceX are turning those dreams into reality. Ever wondered how rockets blast off, land back safely, or how humans might live on Mars? Let's dive into the cutting-edge science and missions shaping our future in space. Welcome to Truth Quencher, ultimate source for fascinating space and science facts. If you love exploring the cosmos from the comfort of your screen, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to stay ahead with the latest cosmic discoveries and innovations. First up, let's talk about NASA's monumental return to the moon. The Artemis program isn't just a repeat of the Apollo missions, but it's about staying there. The goal is to establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface by the mid-2020s. This is a crucial stepping stone for future missions to Mars. To achieve this, NASA is using the state-of-the-art Orion spacecraft, designed for long-duration deep space travel, and the Colossal Space Launch System, or SLS. This rocket isn't just powerful, it's a heavy lifter capable of carrying astronauts, supplies, and the building blocks for a lunar base all in one go. Imagine a permanent science outpost on the moon. Artemis is making it happen. Now, let's shift our focus to the private sector's game-changer, SpaceX's Starship. This isn't just another rocket. It's a vision for humanity's multi-planetary future. Starship is a fully and rapidly reusable transportation system designed to carry up to 100 people to Mars and beyond. Its gleaming stainless steel body isn't just for looks. It's a brilliant engineering choice that can withstand the extreme heat of atmospheric re-entry. The reusability is the key here. By designing a rocket that can fly again and again with minimal turnaround time, SpaceX is drastically cutting the cost of spaceflight, aiming to make interplanetary travel accessible and, eventually, routine. Of course, getting to Mars or deep space quickly and efficiently is a huge challenge. That's where innovative propulsion technologies come in. Both NASA and private companies are pouring resources into developing engines that are faster and more efficient than traditional chemical rockets. One of the most promising concepts is ion propulsion. Instead of a powerful, short burst of fire, ion engines use electric fields to accelerate charged particles, or ions, creating a gentle but incredibly persistent thrust. This method is extremely fuel efficient, making it perfect for long-haul missions across the solar system. NASA is even working on next-gen engines that could potentially slash the travel time to Mars from several months down to just a few weeks. But arriving is only half the battle. Living in space is an entirely different challenge. It's a matter of survival in a hostile environment. NASA is at the forefront of developing advanced space habitats. These aren't just tin cans, they're self-sufficient ecosystems. They feature closed-loop life support systems that recycle nearly all air and water, sophisticated radiation shielding to protect astronauts from cosmic rays, and even methods for sustainable food production like growing vegetables in space. The International Space Station serves as a vital testbed for these technologies, allowing scientists to perfect life support systems that will be essential for future lunar bases and Martian colonies. Let's circle back to SpaceX and talk about the heart of Starship. The Raptor engines. These engines are a marvel of engineering, and their fuel choice is particularly brilliant. But Raptors run on a combination of cryogenic liquid methane and liquid oxygen. Why is this so important? Because the ingredients to create this fuel can potentially be found on Mars. Mars's atmosphere is rich in carbon dioxide, and there's water ice beneath its surface. Using a process called the Sabatier reaction, future Martian colonists could produce their own methane and oxygen. This concept, known as in situ resource utilization, or ISRU, is revolutionary. It means a Starship landing on Mars could refuel itself for the journey back to Earth, eliminating the need to haul all that return fuel from our planet. Before we send humans to these distant worlds, we send our robotic pioneers. These machines are the scouts, paving the way for human explorers. NASA's Perseverance rover, for example, is currently on Mars, diligently searching for signs of ancient microbial life and collecting rock samples that a future mission will return to Earth. On the private side, SpaceX plans to send unmanned Starship missions to scout potential landing sites and test the systems needed to land cargo safely on Mars. These robotic missions are absolutely critical. They gather data, test technologies in the real environment, and help us understand the challenges humans will face. From NASA's steady, science-driven approach to establishing a moon base, to SpaceX's bold vision of colonizing Mars, space travel is evolving at an incredible pace. These two giants are leading humanity's next great leap beyond our home planet. The future of moon bases and Mars colonies is no longer just science fiction. It's getting closer every single day. What do you think? Which space mission excites you the most? Is it the return to the moon with Artemis, or the audacious plan to settle Mars with Starship? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future of space exploration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TruthQuench for more incredible stories from the final frontier. Thanks for watching.